to this video. In this video, I want to show you how to do this, how to create a Glassmorphism effect using the Pixellab application. If this is your first time of coming to my channel or you've not subscribed to my channel yet, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. Alright, so let's dive in. Now, this design here, the first step and the first thing you are going to do is to go to this website. This website, you can get to this website by typing blur images online. As you can see it here, I already have it here because I've been visiting it. Okay, sorry, let me on my data. Okay, as you can see it here now, when you come inside this place, you will see lots of websites. Now the one you are going to make use of is this one. This one is working. This one is working, but I prefer using this one. All right, now you open this one. Okay, so now when you come inside this web page, now the thing you are going to do is to upload the design. Now before you start making use of this website, you must have designed a flyer. You must have designed something that you want a glass effect to appear on. So that's the same design that you're going to upload here. Now you click on choose file. Now when you click on choose file, you're going to choose the design, that same design that you want the glass effect to appear on. Now in this case, I'm making use of the thumbnail of this same video that you are watching. I've already designed it. Now when I choose the file, I will now upload. As you can see right here, I will now upload. Now when you upload, you wait for it to open. Now when it opens, automatically it's going to show this way. Now what you're going to do right here now is to adjust this. When you adjust it to the back like this, it will be more blur. When you keep it at the front like this, when you shift it to the front, the blur effect will reduce. So but in this case, we are designing a glass blur effect. All right, so let me just leave my own here. You can choose to leave your own at any point, but make sure it is blur so that it's going to look like a glass. All right, now you click on this apply here. You apply and you wait, and after that you now click here to download, save to your device. You click here to save it and you wait for it to be saved. All right, it's now downloading and it's saved, and we are done with this. Then the next step is to go to your Pixellab application. Open your Pixellab application. Now when you come into your Pixellab application, the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to choose the size of the same design that you did. You must have this design in your Pixellab, or you must know the actual size of that design. Now in this case, this is a YouTube thumbnail, so I already have Pixellab already have a YouTube thumbnail size here. As you can see down here, I'll just select it and click OK, and automatically it's going to change the background to a YouTube thumbnail size. I will now go ahead and bring in the two flyers, the original one and the one that is blur. As you can see right here, now I will pick the original one, which is this one. I will increase the size so that it's going to match this this background size here, and I will make sure it is at the middle. It is in the middle. Using these two here, the relative position, these two at the middle here, you make sure that the design is at the middle, and you click OK, and you can lock it. And after that, the next thing that you are going to do is to bring in the blur one, which is the one that you downloaded. You bring it in and still do the same thing. You increase it so that it will fit in, and you make sure it is at the middle, and you also lock it and you shift it to the back and the good one will come to the front. The one that is not blur will come to the front. After that, the next thing you want to do right now is to bring in a shape. Now this shape is going to be the shape that the glass effect is going to be on. All right, now in this case I'm making use of square, and I just want to increase the radius, which is the side corner, so that it will be round. Okay, and I'll click OK. Now in this case I want to position it here. Now any place you keep this shape as you're designing, that's the place that the effect will appear. All right, so in this case I'm going to keep my own right here. And after this, the next thing you want to do now is to go and choose a color. Now when you're choosing a color, make sure that the color you are choosing is not on this design. As you can see here, I'm seeing something like red here, so because of it I'm not going to make use of red. All right, so I have to go ahead and choose another color. So now let me use green. Let me use this green. All right, because there's no green on this design. As you can see it here, there's nothing like green. Okay, I will now position it very well. Then the next thing you want to do right now is to merge. You select the one that is not blur and merge it with that shape. Okay, you select it and you merge. All right, and after this, the next step is to what? Go to this erase color. As you can see right here, these two, erase color. You go to it, you activate it, and you select, you pick the color. You click OK. Now how to pick the color is this thing. You click here, and when you click here, you are going to select that same green. You tap on that same green, and it's going to pick out the color. It's going to erase it. All right, now you can now increase the tolerance. You can increase the tolerance. All right, you can increase it so that the green outline line that is still there will not be that visible. Okay, and you click OK. Now the next thing you want to do is to go to shadow. You open the shadow and you choose white color. In this case I want to make use of white color. You can make use of any color, it depends on the design you are working on. So but in this case I want to make use of white color, so I have to now offset X. I can offset X to 3 and offset Y to 4. All right, and the blur radius, I can reduce the blur radius. Okay, and we are good to go. Now the next thing you want to do is to bring in another shape. All right, is to bring in another shape. It can be any shape, but make sure that this shape is going to cover, you enlarge it so that it will cover the main, that glass effect area. It will cover it. Then you go to your layer button and bring that shape to the back. All right, when you bring it to the back, you now go to opacity and reduce the opacity. Okay, you reduce the opacity, and as you can see, we have gotten our glass effect. As you can see, it's right there. It's very, very simple, and this is all you need to do for you to get this result. It's very, very simple. So now you now go ahead and save it. You can save it as project and also save it as your image, and that's all. So guys, this is basically how you can do this. So make sure you practice it step by step. Follow it step by step. You will get it right. And make sure you practice and practice till you get it right. It's very simple. It's not something that is hard. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.